All right, so I'm going to show you the difference between doing a tight curl with the curling wand and a loose curl. So when you're trying to do a tight curl, the hair is closer together on the curling wand. See how tight that is? And then when you're doing, you want to do a looser curl, you take the hair and you see how wide the gap is between it. See how it's not close? I'm doing it because I want a looser curl. And that's how you do a tight curl and a loose curl on the curling wand. So what I'm doing is, when I get to the point where I'm curling around the face, I am going to make the curls go away from the face because I want the curls to go back. If I wanted the curls to go towards the face, I would curl the curls going forward. So if you're going forward towards the face, you go this way. If you're going forward, if you're going away from the face, you go backwards towards you. So if you have clients that want the curls to fall in the face, you go forward. Away from the face, you go backwards. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to use my Bedhead After Party to put on my wig because I want to give it a natural shine, but also this product right here isn't very heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a little over a pea size. I'm going to rub it in my hands. Now let me give you a tip about putting products on your wigs. Do not put it with your palms of your hands like this, because guess what? You're going to get globs of it on the wig. What you do is you take, see how my fingers are closed? You open your fingers and then you take the product, and see how I'm starting to curl my fingers up? That's how you need to put it on. Take it, run it through, and it distributes it easily, and it's not like big globs here, big globs there, and it looks more natural. And guess what? You still have all the body in your wig.